How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change the sensitivity on your Xbox Thrustmaster Ferrari 458 Spider Racing Wheel. So if we actually navigate through the official documentation of this controller, we could see that you want to go ahead and navigate the wheels light right here. Now, if it's flashing once, it's normal, twice low, 3 times very low, 4 times minimum, and once again it's going to be normal. So to do this, it's going to be extremely simple. Now we have our controller set up. You then want to press 4 buttons at once simultaneously. So those buttons are going to be this specific pedal, the second pedal right here. So we have left and right, and then we have the Y button, and then B button. So you then want to go ahead and press these 4 buttons all at once, and then this light will go ahead and flash. Once again, we have flash 1, flash 2, flash 3, flash 4, and then it will return back to 1. So from there, you have successfully changed your sensitivity. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.